In this video, I'm going to show you how to propagate mini jade plant through cuttings. I also included the end result after 2 weeks in the end of this video. Cut about 3 inches of its stem. Ideal size is about 3 to 5 inches. But 2 inches also works for me. Remove extra branches and extra leaves. Just leave a few leaves on top. Let it air dry for 24 to 48 hours depending on your location's temperature. And let it callus over. Time to pot. Make a hole at the center and place the cutting. Press to secure the plant from falling over. Make sure to place it in bright indoor. No direct sunlight yet at this stage. After 2 weeks, time to water it. You may water it full, but I choose to spray it, since the root system is very shallow at this stage. So misting will do. Mist as needed. You should maintain moisture at this stage so the roots won't dry out. And to encourage the plant to grow more roots. Do this until roots are strong and plenty enough. Here's a sample which I planted 8 weeks ago. Let's see how the roots are doing. As you can see, the root system is healthy. It has grown some new leaves. At this time you may choose to introduce it to sunlight. You may expose it to direct sunlight slowly, like 2 to 4 hours for 2 weeks. And more as you go.
Yeah.